Hello students, continue with our business mathematics class. Now we are going to learn n term of a series. Let's start with example. Find the sum of n term of 4 plus 44 plus 440 plus. Continuously we find n term. So start with sum Sn is equal to 4 plus 44 plus 444 up to nth term, up to now. Out of that we are taking common in all from number 4. So we get 1, 11, 111, now in third step we are doing one multiplication and dividing. So here dividing by 9, multiply by 9. So the students here in bracket number we are multiplied 9 and divide by 9. So here we number get 9 by 9, here 99 upon 9, 999 upon 9, now we are taking a 1 upon 9 from common here. So here write in effect take 1 by 9 common. So the result is 4 into 1 by 9. Here 9 plus 99 plus 999. Result is getting. Now out of that, see the students is multiplied 4 into 1 is 4 by 9. Now we do one trick here. 10 minus 1 plus 100 minus 1 plus 1000 minus 1. See the students here, no difference between anything here. See 10 minus 1 is equal to 9, 100 minus 1 is equal to 99 and 1000 minus 1 is equal to 1, 999. Now we are separating both two parts, 4 by 9. See the students, here we separate two parts, 10 plus 100 plus 1000 and another part is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus dot dot dot. See the students here match with both fraction and converted 10 minus 1. See here 10 minus sign, take 1. First bracket. 100 minus sign, take 1. Second bracket. No difference between any of the step. Now, see here both separate term is fine. Here write up to n term, and here also write up to n term. See the students, here we get one series 10, 100, 1000. The series is a GP series. That's why this bracket is converted in GP formula. So here write arrange in GP. Here the series is common, that's why arrange in AP. See here difference is common. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. Let's remain in AP series. Difference of all the numbers is same, that's why arrange in AP. Here the ratio of all the numbers is same, that's why it's arranged in GP. Here 1 1 1 up to nth term arrange in AP, so that here total number of these is only n. Now stop these steps here and take a formula of here GP and take a sum. Here A is equal to first 10, R is equal to second term 100 up to first term 10 is equal to 10. It is here greater than, R is greater than 1. Now Sn is equal to A R power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Here A is equal to 10, R is equal to 10 power n minus 1. Here 10 minus 1, so that 10 power n minus 1 upon 9. See the students, here one side of sum is answer 10 power n minus 1 upon 9. Merge with here fraction common is 4 by 9. So here 4 by 9 in bracket 10 power n minus 1 upon 9, and another part is n, and sign of n is minus n. So here in so much steps, his first steps 4 by 9 I written here. Second, this part of calculation means GP. His calculate answer is 10 power n minus 1 upon 9. Second part, and third part this arithmetic progression AP answer is n. Here minus sign with n. See the students, is a sum is step by step doing and get an answer of sum of n terms. Thank you class.